Welcome to EDC Ideas, and let's talk about my new idea for an everyday carry toolkit pouch. I was looking for a longer EDC organizer because I want to carry items like this Hultafors Pry Bar here. I am really happy with the setup, and the organizer is the Maxpedition Skinny. Over the next weeks I will exchange some items and replace some new items in, but for the moment I'm really happy with this setup. Let's go through the different tools. As a multi-tool I included the Leatherman Rebar. It's one of my favorite multi-tools for EDC. I like the price-performance ratio in combination with the toolset. My most used tools of the Leatherman Rebar are the needle nose combination pliers, the replaceable wire cutters, the saw, the blade, the file and the awl. And I have added this pocket clip so I can carry the multi-tool in my pouch or in the pockets. The next item in the organizer is a discontinued version from Victorinox. It's the Victorinox Executive. It's a great little toolset, especially in combination with the tools of the Leatherman Rebar. I really like the scissors, the nail cleaning tool, toothpick, tweezers and the blade for extra fine work. And from time to time an orange peeler could be very useful. Let's talk about my screwdriver options, and let's start with this tool from MetMo. When it comes to screwdriver or screwdriver handles, the MetMo pocket driver is definitely a great choice. It's a cool screwdriver with a ratchet function. You can use it as a standard screwdriver, or you can use it with a handle like this for more torque. And from time to time more reach is useful, and that's the reason why I carry the bit extension from MetMo. And I carry the standard bits with the magnetic bit case from MetMo. I really like this set because you can attach the set to a metal surface depending on your needs. And like the MetMo pocket driver, the MetMo magnetic bit case has a fidget toy function too. MetMo is the sponsor of this video. Many thanks to the MetMo team for the amazing cooperation on my social media accounts. Definitely check out the MetMo website for amazing tools for your everyday carry organizer. It took me years to find the perfect pen-sized flashlight for me, and this one is the Fenix LD05. I really like the metal switch in combination with the clip here, a great and universal flashlight for different everyday carry tasks. The next item in my organizer is this metal ruler here. The Knipex Cobra in the 125mm version, definitely a very useful universal tool. It's an everyday carry legend. I think this mini water pump plier design is a great combination with the combination pliers from the Leatherman Rebar. I definitely wanted a mini everyday carry pry bar in my toolkit, so I'm really happy with this Hultafors version here. It's a mini version. It fits perfectly inside and you can do a lot of work with it compared to smaller pry bars for the keychain. And to write down my notes or some ideas on my all-weather notebook, I love to carry this permanent marker from Staedtler here. And the next item in the organizer is the MetMo multi-drive. I have included the multi-drive with the micro bits because I wanted a high quality set of micro bits in my organizer. And the multi-drive is a true multi-tool because you can insert, for example, micro bits or, for example, a pen or a file, always depending on your needs. Always useful to write down the ideas or the next to-dos for the projects. This is my all-weather notebook. And for the nuts and bolts, I love to carry an adjustable wrench. The last item in this organizer is a card with duct tape, electrician tape and a double-sided tape. Please let me know in the comment section below what would you include into the set, and check out the amazing tools from MetMo. You find the links to the MetMo website in the description box below.